Meaning of hip pocket.
Hip pocket.
Hip pocket.
Hip pocket.
Hip pocket. The term hip pocket can refer to different things depending on the context. It can be used as an adjective to describe something that is readily available or easily accessible, as in I keep a hip pocket pen handy for taking notes. In a legal setting, it can describe an informal agreement between lawyers without written documentation. Additionally, in politics, it can refer to the practice of providing financial incentives or benefits to individuals or groups in exchange for political support. Overall, hip pocket describes something that is convenient, easy to access, and perhaps not fully documented or above board in some contexts.